final morning report analysis video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hatton Markets on Thursday, 20th of July. Looking at gold, we're starting to see gold rolling over these strong bull candles, which taken the market back above 1240. Have just started to roll over. Yesterday, again, we closed above 1240 just, but today it's sort of ticking lower again. The market is basically consolidating around this old pivot. It's not by any means cleared the pivot yet, but the market is, I think, generally speaking, in a more of a recovery phase, there was a downtrend there, having broken that downtrend, having broken back above the old uptrend, broken back above the 144-day moving average. Market is looking more neutrally configured now, and I think that's going to be the case between 1240 and 1260. So you look at the RSI, say rolling over around 50 potentially. MACD lines and stochastics still recovering. So there are sort of mixed signals that we're getting, and certainly these last couple of candles would be that sort of way. Now here's the hourly chart, which is sort of probably more indicative of what we can see here, because we can see an uptrend which comes in around sort of 1226 area, just marginally below that breakout level of 1229.10, which has become a basis of support. The basis of support around 1235 as well is holding. That breakout again on 17th July high or intraday high became supportive. And marks a top pattern potentially if you break it to the downside. It's been tested today and held, but would mark a top pattern, just giving around about sort of $8-9 of downside. So that would sort of bring you certainly to test that 1229 level, but also the old that uptrend as well. So a little bit of a top pattern could set in. Momentum indicator still holding up above 40 on the RSI, so that's positive. MACD lines sort of beginning to find or settle a little bit. So it's undetermined as to whether we're going to be sort of corrective or not. But I think the market is sort of testing the water, really, consolidating in front of the ECB today, and I think the ECB is going to drive markets this afternoon, and I think gold will be no different to that. So we'd be looking out for the gold price to be fairly volatile, I think, on this ECB decision today. So bear that in mind, please, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.